For this experiment, we have to take half glass of water. Use shaving cream to make a cloud on top of the water. Now slowly add this color into this cloud. Keep watching, it's coming like a rain. So what happened to this? Here the shaving foam represents the cloud. Clouds are formed when water is heated up by the sun. This makes water turns from liquid to gas. This is called evaporation. Once high up in the sky, the gas begins to cool down and turns back into liquid. This experiment all about how rain will come. Thank you. Please subscribe.